Hi friends, I have a good news for you. The market is falling. Well, how can it be a good news? So let's find out. I'll just share my screen. Wait for a second. Let's go. Yeah, so why is this a good news? Let's first go to this thing. The last downfall in BSE Sensex was on 12 Feb 2022, major downfall. So it went down from 41,566 to 25,981. The fall was 37%. And it was within a few months. That is 12 Feb 2022, 23 March 2020. That is just 1 month and like 10 days, right? And suddenly from there it went up. And till 15 Feb 21, that is just completing around 1 year, it went up by 100% from this bottom, right? So this fall, if people had captured this fall by buying into various funds, let's say mutual funds, or even the Nifty or BSE Sensex, then they would have got 100% returns within a year. Now, you can say that this might be one-time case. So let's go down history and let's see. In 5th March 2015, the BSE Sensex was 29,449. It was around 30,000 and it went down to 23,000 almost by 11 Feb 2016. So it gradually decreased for over 11 months, right? And the downfall was 22%. Then it went up by 58% within like year and a half. So 11 Feb 16 to 29 January 18, almost 2 years. So it went up by 58%. You might say this might be a specific case. Now let's go back and see 9 January 2008. It was 20,870. It was at the top at that time, and it went down to 8160 by 9th March 2009, within 1 year almost, 1 year and 2 months. The percentage was 61%. So the negative returns were 61% in the Sensex. But see, after that, within another 1.5 years, it went up by 157%. So what we observe is that the more the fall, the greater is the upside. The less the fall, lower is the upside, right? You can see here, it went up by 37. It almost 3 times returns. 22%, double this return. 61%, almost triple of this return. So that's why I'm saying that if fall is very good for the long-term investor. Now you'll ask me how to find this bottom, right? Whether can we find this bottom? So we'll try to look at this problem with the help of a technical chart. Just wait for a second. We'll go to the technical chart. So this is called a technical chart. I'll just help you with some data simplifications here. So just draw 2 lines quickly. So this is not an exact drawing, but it will be optimum for our understanding. So this is the highest point of Nifty, the other index of our stock market. So the other index meaning the large cap index. So the highest point was around 18,600 recorded recently. Now from there it went down and again went up and again went down and again went up. Now it is again falling, right? It is around 17,000 today, as of today. So at the time I was recording, it was around 17,006. So it might have closed around this point. Now this is a weekly chart. The opening and closing is of 1 week data. So this is taken from basically the last bottom before pandemic. This is a chart of last 5 years, but this is one chart which is of the last bottom to the top. So now what should we do? Where should we buy? Like you can see that there are very interesting things here. Now from the top it went down, but again went up, but it could not go beyond this last top. that is 18,600. Then again it fell down, and the bottom of the last fall was beyond this last the previous fall. So this has breached towards the bottom. Now again it went up, but it could not go up beyond this point, the last top. That is, so it has been sliding down. The tops have been lower. The last top is lower from previous. The previous one is lower from the previous one. So if this downfall goes beyond 16,000, which is another point where there is good support. Support meaning where the probability of fall beyond this is less and people will start buying here. So 16,000 is a very good support level. Why? Because the last consolidation was around this point before going to the top. So that's why this is a very good point of support. So now 16,000x is a very good support. Now even 17,000, the bulls are trying to hold on to 17,000. If it goes beyond and takes support as 16,000, it will be a very, very good buying point. But in case, because there is no guarantee what is top and what is bottom, no one can tell this in this world. Now, if it goes down, then the another point of support is around 14,500 or 14,400. So if it keeps on going down, what should you do? The best thing is to do a weekly or fortnightly or monthly SIP in a mutual fund of your choice. It's better you consult your financial advisor or a certified financial expert and then choose the schemes accordingly as per your risk profile. So as it goes down, you will be able to buy at each and every point. So what another strategy could be buying 50% at around 16,000, and if it goes down, you can buy more. So as per your risk appetite, you can devise your strategy.